All right, time to take a look at the Lakalum portable air compressor. Okay, got warranty information, and there is the guy. So on the back, we've got a spot for our power. So this is for a standard cigarette adapter. It looks like we've got a fairly long cord on here, which is important. And I do like how that hose wraps around the side so you can just pack everything back up nice and easy. And so this cover has a slot built in right here. So we can take this and wrap our cord around that, clip it back in. That way we don't lose that. So that's nice. Okay, so it says we are at 37 PSI currently. And we can change this to bar, kPa, and kilograms per square centimeter. Now I always use PSI. I want this to stop at 50 because I like these tires being nice and heavy. Too much. So now I'm just going to flip it on. So it's filling up pretty quick, and it is it's not really that loud in comparison to a lot of the ones that I've been using before. There we go. And it stops on its own. Even has a light on the top so you can read the numbers on your tires in the dark. So yeah, that is a very nice little compressor. I'm very happy with that.